A dirty or faulty spark plug can make your mower hard to start, cause the engine to run unevenly, or cause misfiring under load. All of this trouble is avoidable because a spark plug is easy to change. We'll show you how. You'll need a torque wrench with a spark plug socket and a spark plug gap tool to measure the spark plug gap. Check your operator's manual to make sure you have the correct spark plugs for your Z-Trak and for important safety information. Park the mower safely on a hard, flat surface with the engine shut off, parking brake set, and key removed. If your mower has a V-twin engine, there will be two spark plugs. First, remove the spark plug wires. Then use the spark plug socket and turn the plug counterclockwise to loosen and remove the spark plug. This is a fouled spark plug covered with carbon deposits and gunk. A good working spark plug should be clean like this one. Here is where the spark occurs. If this area is fouled, there won't be a proper spark, and the engine will run rough or not start at all. Your best bet is to discard a fouled plug and install a new one. You may also find spark plugs that are cracked or with a damaged electrode area. These spark plugs should also be discarded. The new spark plug is probably not set at your engine's recommended gap, so use the spark plug gap tool to check and adjust the gap. Check your operator's manual for the gap size. It'll also have the recommended maintenance schedule for your mower, or for quick reference, there's a machine maintenance decal, usually located under the seat. To set the recommended gap, gently bend on the outer electrode, then recheck the gap. With the gap properly set, hand tighten the spark plugs, then torque to specifications noted in the manual. Use caution not to over-tighten. Reattach the spark plug wires. Remember, if your mower has a V-twin engine, there will be two spark plugs, one on each side. Remember that a fouled plug can also be a symptom of other problems: bad fuel, carburetor that's out of adjustment, or a plugged air filter. If your mower spark plug fouls regularly, have your John Deere dealer service technician check out the engine to find the problem. To stay on top of proper mower maintenance, read your operator's manual and check out our other mower maintenance programs. Proper maintenance is the best way to make sure your mower starts quickly, runs efficiently, and mows a beautiful lawn. To purchase parts, visit your local John Deere dealer or go to www.jdparts.deere.com.